Tingkatan Enam Prauniversiti Desa. I'm Kwanzi.
I'm Kahui.
I'm Melissa.
Imagine this. Every year, metric tons of durances are just thrown as waste. At the same time, plastic waste needs hundreds years to disappear and is harming our planet. But what if I told you that those durances are able to help us to solve this problem? This is all the Rebirth of the Kings talks about, transforming the durances into biodegradable plastics.
We began by collecting discarded durian seeds. These are thoroughly cleaned, peeled, and sterilized using a food-safe vinegar solution. The seeds are then blended with water and filtered to extract pure starch sediment. Filter this slurry through a muslin cloth or a fine sieve. This starch is sun-dried and milled into a fine usable powder. The durian starch is combined with distilled water, glycerol as a plasticizer, and a small amount of vinegar as a catalyst. The mixture is heated under continuous stirring until it undergoes gelation, transitioning from a milky suspension into a clear, viscous bioplastic gel. The gel is poured onto a parchment paper, spread evenly, and cured under sunlight for 24 to 48 hours. Once dry, the resulting flexible, transparent bioplastic film is peeled from the substrate, ready for use.
Did you know we have 3 recommendations for the rebirth of the king? First, sustainable material choice. Second, waste to product initiative. Third, local economic benefits.
First, sustainable material choice. Promote the use of durian seed-based bioplastic as an eco-friendly substitute for conventional plastics. This supports waste reduction, enhances biodegradability, and lowers the carbon footprint of packaging and plastic products. Second, waste to product initiative. Launch initiatives to collect and repurpose durian seeds into biodegradable plastics. This reduces organic waste in landfills and supports a circular economy model. Third, local economic benefits. Local production of durian seed plastics are encouraged to create new market opportunities for farmers and manufacturers. This decreases dependency on imported plastic and strengthens Malaysia's position in the global green economy.
Our innovation supports many of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. For SDG 1, it provides new job opportunities to farmers and small business. For SDG 2, farmers don't just rely on fruit sales anymore. They can sell the seeds too, giving them a stable extra income and protecting them against crop failures or price drops. For SDG 8, this creates a brand new green industry. It opens opportunities for small business, from collecting seeds to processing to designing packaging. For SDG 9, it encourages research and development. It also requires new infrastructure to turn agricultural waste into high-value products. It also helps SDG 12. Instead of relying on petroleum plastics, we use a renewable resource, durian seeds, and the production can be much cleaner and more sustainable. For SDG 13, it reduces plastic burning and carbon dioxide emissions. In terms of the environment, SDG 14, life below water, and SDG 15, life on land, benefits too. Durian seed plastic breaks down into natural matter instead of toxic microplastics, protecting both marine life and soil quality.
Durian seed plastic is highly biodegradable. It can break down within 18 days compared to cornstarch plastic, which takes 6 to 12 months, and conventional plastic, which may take 20 to 500 years. This shows how much faster and eco-friendlier durian seed plastic is. Other than that, durian seed plastic is easy to obtain because it comes from local agricultural waste. In contrast, cornstarch plastic is harder to produce since it requires imported cornstarch, and conventional plastic depends on imported petroleum. This makes durian seed plastic more sustainable and accessible. Furthermore, durian seed plastic also has the lowest carbon footprint, while cornstarch is medium and conventional plastic is the highest. So, using durian seeds helps reduce greenhouse gas emissions.
Hey, it's the Enam project. To summarize, biodegradable packaging can be produced from durian seed by isolating their starch and transforming it into a plastic. This project are able to transform agricultural waste into biodegradable plastic, supporting greener material innovation.
That's all from us.
Bye!